all about strengthening our boundaries.
What boundaries do you need to set so that you're setting yourself up for the best that the virtual world can give you?
No matter what I say, you have to do what works best for your skin.
I'm leaning into what feels good to me and feels comfortable.
If you're feeling unsettled, you're settling.
How you feel about yourself when you wake up in the morning and you look in the mirror, that's what we should really be working on.
I don't know what waits for me out there. I am going to fight for it.
Knowing that I can have a bad day at work, but still have a good day.